Welcome! If you want to keep your Facebook page more private and stop it from being recommended to others on the Facebook app for PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to prevent your page from showing up in recommendations, all based on the new Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Another menu will appear. Here, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything about your Facebook experience. Next, scroll down until you find the section called How People Can Find and Contact You. Click on this option. This is where you can manage who can look you up and how your page appears to others. Inside this section, look for the setting labeled Allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. By default, this option might be enabled, which means Facebook can suggest your page to users browsing pages like yours. To stop this from happening, simply disable this setting. Click the toggle or checkbox to turn it off. Once you've done this, your page will no longer be recommended to people who are viewing similar pages. That's it! You've now taken control of your privacy and limited who can discover your page through recommendations. This is especially helpful if you want to keep your audience more selective or just prefer a bit more privacy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.